This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Thrisin Shellen. 2-bedroom/2-bath remodeled villa featuring 2 master suites with split floor plan, remodeled bathrooms and walk-in closets. Remodeled kitchen features wood cabinetry and granite countertops and dishwasher, microwave, stove and fridge. Washer, dryer and alarm also in unit. Private fenced-in patio. Association is replacing the fence and roof. Spacious living dining area. 2 assigned parking spots right next to villa. Association pays for water, trash, roof, fence, painting, exterior insurance, landscaping, power washing and more. Amenities include big beautiful community pool, tennis and basketball. Pets allowed. Close to shopping in SAWGRASS Expressway. For more information, review the details below.